What would you do if you could take an entire week off without lifting a finger and still make thousands of dollars every single day? Hi, I'm Cash Money, and about a month ago, I did exactly that. I completely stepped away from work for a whole week. No emails, no calls, no stress. And the money kept rolling in. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. Here's the thing. Creating passive income streams isn't just about making extra money. It's about buying your time back, freeing yourself from the daily grind, and building a life that works for you. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 9 passive income ideas that can generate over $500 a day. These aren't just theoretical concepts. Many of these are strategies I personally use to make thousands every single day. Whether you're just starting or looking for new ways to diversify, there's something here for everyone. So grab a notebook and get ready, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to start creating your own streams of passive income today. Let's start with the simplest way to generate passive income: high-yield savings accounts. Think of it as giving your money a job, earning interest just by sitting in the right place. Most regular savings accounts give you a laughable interest rate, like 0.01%. That's about as useful as finding a penny under your couch. Now, compare that to high-yield savings accounts that offer 4 to 5% annually. For example, I've personally used Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Discover, and Ally Bank, and last year alone, I made over $10,000 in interest, and all I had to do was transfer my savings into these accounts. If you've got money sitting in a regular savings account, do yourself a favor, move it to one of these. It's literally free money and one of the easiest steps you can take today. Number 2, automated online stores. Moving on to something a bit more dynamic: automated online stores. If you've ever wanted to start an e-commerce business but were scared of managing inventory or shipping, this is for you. Platforms like Build Your Store use AI to create a professional Shopify store for you. The app AutoDS takes it a step further by preloading your store with winning products, items already proven to sell. Here's the magic. When someone orders a product from your store, AutoDS takes care of fulfillment. That means no stock to manage, no packing, and no post office runs. It's a set it and forget it system. Want to drive traffic? Create engaging TikToks or Pinterest posts showcasing your products. And during the holiday season, amplify your sales using native ads with Taboola, a platform that places your ads on popular websites like CNBC and Business Insider. Number 3, investing in stocks. If there's one thing I've learned, it's that the earlier you start investing, the better. About a year ago, I bought 2,000 shares of Apple stock at $117 per share. Fast forward 12 months, and those shares had doubled in value. On top of that, I earned $500 quarterly dividends. That's passive income at its finest. Now, you don't need to be a stock market expert. For beginners, I always recommend broad market ETFs like VOO. They're diversified, stable, and offer consistent growth over time. Number 4, print-on-demand stores. For the creatives out there, print-on-demand is a goldmine. Here's how it works. You design products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, upload them to platforms like Printify or Gatto, and when someone orders, the platform handles the printing and shipping for you. Here's a real-life example. I recently helped a friend launch a print-on-demand sweatshirt line, and in just 3 days, they made $35,000 in sales. What was the secret? A simple, trendy design that resonated with buyers. And the best part? Once the designs are uploaded, it's a hands-off business model. Number 5, passive income apps. Looking for effortless income streams? Passive income apps are the way to go. These apps don't require you to sell anything or do any work. For instance, Honeygain pays you to share your unused internet bandwidth, while Nielsen Computer Panel rewards you for keeping the app installed on your devices. Other apps like Kaden and Pogo pay you for sharing data or unlocking your phone. The earnings are modest. Think $3 to $15 a month, but when combined with other streams, they can add up over time. Number 6, renting things out. Why let your possessions sit idle when they can earn you money? For example, my brother rents out his car on Turo for $50 a day. If you've got a luxury car, you could earn upwards of $350 a day. Not into cars? No problem. Rapify pays you up to $500 a month to place ads on your vehicle. You can also rent out spare bedrooms on Airbnb or storage space on Neighbor.com. Got an empty driveway? Even that can earn you passive income. Number 7, YouTube channel. Yes, creating a YouTube channel requires effort up front, but here's the beauty of it. Videos you create today can keep earning for years. I have videos from 2 years ago that still bring in AdSense revenue every month. But that's not all. A YouTube channel opens doors to affiliate marketing, digital product sales, and even sponsorships, all of which are highly passive once the groundwork is laid. If you're worried it's too late to start, let me tell you, it's not. I began my channel 2.5 years ago, and it's one of the best decisions I've ever made. Number 8, digital products. If you've got a creative streak, selling digital products is a no-brainer. From printable planners and templates to digital art and Notion tools, the possibilities are endless. I've been selling digital products for years. Long before my YouTube days, I had my own website where I sold website templates. Today, platforms like Etsy and Creative Market make it easier than ever to get started. You create the product once, and it can sell over and over again. Number 9. Pinterest affiliate marketing. Finally, let's talk about Pinterest affiliate marketing. This strategy involves creating pins that link directly to affiliate products, earning you a commission every time someone makes a purchase. You don't need to be a graphic designer to succeed. Canva offers thousands of free Pinterest templates that you can customize in minutes. Once you've set up a free Pinterest business account, decide on your niche, apply for affiliate programs, and start pinning. It's a low-cost, high-reward way to generate passive income. And there you have it, 9 powerful ways to build passive income streams and take control of your financial future. Whether you're opening a high-yield savings account, launching an online store, or diving into Pinterest affiliate marketing, each step you take brings you closer to the freedom you deserve. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and the only difference between where you are now and where you want to be is action. If you found even one of these ideas helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel more than you know. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and drop a comment below sharing which idea you're excited to try or what topics you'd like me to cover next. I truly believe in your potential to succeed, and I'm here cheering you on every step of the way. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Take care and go crush it.